GitHub Pages Website Hosting Honest Review. Watch before using. Links to everything mentioned are in the description below. If you're looking for a free, fast, and reliable way to host static websites, GitHub Pages is one of the best options out there, but it's not for everyone. GitHub Pages is designed specifically for developers or users comfortable with Git and GitHub. It allows you to host static HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files directly from a GitHub repository with automatic HTTPS and version control built in. There's no backend support, so it's not for dynamic websites or apps requiring server-side processing. But for documentation, portfolios, personal sites, or single-page apps, it's ideal. You get a free subdomain like yourusername.github.io, and custom domains are supported. It's optimized for Jekyll, meaning you can turn Markdown files into fully themed sites without touching much code. Deployments are triggered automatically on push, and there's no bandwidth limit for typical use cases. One major advantage is zero cost, no hosting fees ever. Uptime is excellent thanks to GitHub's infrastructure, and HTTPS is enabled automatically for both GitHub and custom domains. That said, it's not a drag-and-drop builder. There's no CMS, so if you're not comfortable with version control or code editors, the learning curve might feel steep. Also, there's no built-in analytics or SEO tools. You'll need to integrate those manually. It's also worth noting that large media files, server-side code, or databases won't work here. But if you understand its limitations and use it for what it's designed for, static content, it works incredibly well. For developers, technical marketers, and open source projects, it's one of the most efficient ways to get a site online with full control and versioning. And with the growing ecosystem of Jekyll themes, it's easier than ever to build something that looks professional. In short, if you need a free, fast, and version-controlled static site host, and you're comfortable with Git, GitHub Pages is a top-tier option. But if you want dynamic content or an easy visual editor, this won't meet your needs. Check the links in the description to explore GitHub Pages, Jekyll themes, and beginner-friendly setup guides. If you're building a portfolio, resume site, or open source documentation, GitHub Pages is absolutely worth using.